Hi, my name is Jesse, and I'm the creator of Reaper Setlist, a tool for managing backing tracks and live sets within Reaper. The link is in the description. It's completely free and open source. There's no ad support or free trial or any kind of gotchas. It's just totally free to use no matter who you are. One-man band, Taylor Swift, whatever. It's completely free. So I'm going to show you what it does so you can decide if it's for you. First up, I've done the installation already. Here's one we prepared earlier, but I'm just going to show you right from the start of the setup. So first thing it needs to know is where our backing tracks are located. So my backing tracks are here. So I'm going to right click this and go copy address. I'm using Windows for this demonstration, but this also works wherever Reaper runs, so Mac OS or Linux. And I'm going to paste that in and click save. And it's going to go, yep, okay, we found 14 projects within there, so that's good. I'm next going to go over to songs. I've already added a couple here, but I'll add another one to show you how it works. So what's the project file? I'm going to add this one. It's managed to guess the song from the file name. You can change that if you want. It can't guess the duration from the file name, so I'm going to click Get from Reaper, and that's going to open it in a new tab and grab the duration and then close the tab that it opened. So it's gone 3 minutes 53. Oh yeah, it's a good length for commercial radio maybe. So I'm going to click save, and that's added that to our song list. So that's probably enough songs to create a set. So I am going to add a set here. I'm going to play a Robbie's Discount Piano Warehouse. Maybe you play more prestigious locations than that, but I certainly don't. So that's happening next Wednesday. So now we need to add some songs to our set. So these are all the songs that it knows about. I'm going to add all of these. There we go. Maybe I want to move them around, reorder them here and there, and then go, actually, we don't really know this one well enough to play live so soon. So I'm going to delete that one. That's gone. Tells me total time 28:58. We can just about squeeze that into a 30-minute set time. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and there we go. That's appeared in our set list now. So now I'm going to click play to load the set. It brings us over to this screen. So you get a couple of options here. You can replace existing tabs, so that'll run the close all tabs action before you start, but that'll refuse if you've got unsaved changes. We don't want you to lose any work that you've done. And by default, it'll after it loads a song, it'll move the playhead back to the start, just in case you had it halfway through the last time you saved. You don't want to, click next on the song and start playing it from halfway mark. So I'm going to go ahead and click load set, and that's going to run through all these actions. We'll let it do its thing, and I am now going to go ahead and switch to Reaper. So you can see we've got all these songs loaded in various tabs. I'm going to go back to the start here, and then I'm going to show you the play windows where you probably end up going next. So this is the live player interface. Reaper's interface is fantastic for creating and editing music, but when you're in a live situation, maybe the lights are low, you got flashing lights, there's adrenaline pumping, you're a bit sweaty, maybe you're wearing an instrument, you don't really want to deal with all that. All you really want to be able to do is hit play and go to the next song and maybe know what the next song is. This interface has been designed with that in mind. So I can navigate between songs. It tells me I'm this far through the set, how much longer we got to go. Maybe someone's saying, hey, you need to cut a song or two, or how much longer do you have left? And here, 15 minutes. So as I go through these, you can see song markers. I can click on these to jump to various points within the song. You can see that moves around and automatically adds a start marker to the start of all these, because you usually don't really add that, but you tend to find out too late that you need one to go back to the start. So I hit play and it'll start playing and progressing through the song. I'm going to hit stop on that one now. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what it does. I should also add, you don't need to be doing this from the same computer that Reaper is running. It's often the case that maybe your drummer is in charge of running the backing tracks, and they might want to do it from behind the drum stool. They don't want to have to get up and go over to a laptop each time, so they can have a tablet or a phone connected. I'll show you what it looks like actually. Up here, And this works perfectly fine. You can go over here, you can browse sets, you can go back to the play window and go next and previous, and we can run these totally fine remotely. Okay, that's been it. That's Reaper Setlist. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it's for you and hope it's helpful. Have a great day.